Today I will show you the easy way how I'm making my ranch sauce for the pizza. For the base I will use classic white sauce. Here's the recipe. We take the flour and the butter, we melt the butter, then add flour to it, then we add milk in 3 parts and we add our spices like nutmeg to increase the flavor. You can see the instructional video in the description for the full recipe of white sauce, but here's like mini example how I'm making it. So how to make ranch sauce from this one? We need a blender. You can use any kind of blender as you like, and we use white sauce. Then we add our spices. You see, like paprika, salt and pepper. I like using the freshly grinded. Then we add garlic and parsley and spring onion, as much as you like, and blend it with our blender until it fully incorporated. And finally it's done. You have a very tasty ranch sauce for your pizza, or you can use it on meat, maybe on rice, or actually just eat it. It's really tasty.